Guys, don't worry because I'm gonna be sharing you some trick kung paano makakapag-submit ka pa rin kayo ng applications. So, paano ba yun? Hello, Bernkada! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, namiss ko kayo. So, for this vlog, kita nyo nga sa title na I'm gonna share you a hack or a trick para makapag-apply kayo sa rev.com. So, ano ba yung rev.com? Actually, nakita ko lang din tong rev.com. Kaka-browse sa YouTube. And there are like numbers of Filipino freelancers who get to earn from this site. So, rev.com is a site where you can apply as a transcriptionist or a captioner. So, yes, legit siya kasi marami na nga rin na nag-upload. Yan, makikita nyo, mga nag-upload ng videos and ng review nila na that they are earning from the site. And, yeah, yung mga pinakita ko, they are Filipinos. But then, sabi, parang recently, parang binawala na yung, parang hindi na nag-a-accept ng application from the location that we are in, which is Philippines. So, as you know, parang na-curious ako as a freelancer, I checked the site. And yeah, pakita ko sa inyo tong site. Oh, ayan yung screen ko. So, ito yung rev.com. And then, if you're gonna apply as a freelancer, punta kayo sa baba. And then, there's, dun sa about, na menu, meron dong sub-menu na freelancers. So, if you're from Philippines and you click on that link, yeah, here on this part, you can see that we are not currently accepting applications from your location. So, medyo nakawala yung hopes ng ibang mga Filipino dahil dun sa part na yun. But then, guys, don't worry because I'm gonna be sharing you some trick kung paano makakapag-submit ka pa rin kayo ng applications. So, paano ba yun? I am using an IP changer. So, this is what I use. So, kita nyo yan, we're not currently accepting applications from your location. So, what I'm gonna do is to turn on my IP changer. So, this, on ko lang siya, and then, anuhin natin sa United States, and reload natin. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman yung notification na change daw yung IP ko. So, basically, the site is just restricting the IP address coming from the Philippines. But if you can change it, then you can proceed with the application. So, yun. Tingnan natin ngayon if makakapag-apply na ako. So, refresh ko yung site since na-change ko na nga yung IP. Then, here it is. So, lumabas na yung form for the application. So, if you're gonna be accepted or you're gonna be I mean, your application will be accepted, then that part I am not sure. But then you have in here the way that I showed you here, you have the chance. I mean, there's a percentage na ma-accept nila yung application mo since you have the ability na here or the chance na here to submit your application. So yeah, try natin kunwari yan as transcriptionist, and then my country here is Philippines. So if totally binalock nila yung Philippines for this, then probably isipin nyo baka hindi mag-proceed, diba? But then let's click on the next button. See, it proceeds with the application process. So, all you have to do is to fill up the form and then submit your application. Yes, wag mong alisan yung sarili mo ng chance na baka ma-accept ka. So, the only way na mawawalan ka ng chance or ng percentage of success for the applications in this site is when you do not apply. So, if you're curious about the job or if you want to earn and try your luck in this site, then might as well try it and submit an application. So, I don't want to make this video that long, and I hope this video helps you in your freelancing journey. And again, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming vlogs, video tutorials about freelancing, then don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't be missing any of my upcoming videos and tutorials. Again, this is me, BERN, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. God bless.